Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the Coraline button eyes in Dress to Impress. If you're ready to dive into the other world and master the creepy cute look of Coraline, you need to have this button eyes because this will be perfect for the creepy cartoon or Halloween themes. So in the new Halloween updates, DTI updates, you can easily find this button eyes, and I'll show you the position or the location of these items. So now here you can just head into the main lobby or main section and you'll see this Halloween items, and you can just head into the section. So this is the raincoat that I put on, and the button eyes, you can easily find it here beside the knife and also the baseball bat, and you can just click on it to put it on, and it comes with two options. This is the default look and this one with eyelashes. You can also adjust the position, rotate and scale if needed. So guys, that's the location of Coraline button eyes in DTI update. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.